Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Today I want to teach integration minus infinity to infinity e to the power minus pi x to the power 4 plus c x to the power 4 c by x to the power 4 plus 4 dx 1 by e to the power 4 c by pi to the power 1 by 8 k 1 by 4 2 to the power pi c. Okay, so this kind of problem how can I solve? Okay, at first we have to write that what is first kind modified Bessel's functions. Modified Bessel's functions formula is important note. Okay, note I alpha x equals to summation m equals to 0 to infinity 1 by m factorial gamma m plus alpha minus 1 and x by 2. This is very important formula, 2m plus alpha. Okay, another is k alpha x. This is the second modified Bessel's functions, that is pi by 2 I minus alpha comma x minus I alpha x divided by sine alpha. So friends, alpha is not an integer. When alpha is an integer, then the limit is used. There are chosen to real value of for real positive arguments x. The series expansion of for I alpha is thus similar to the j alpha without the alternating minus 1 to the power m factor. Okay, this formula is important for solving this problem. Okay, which problem? This problem. With these integrations, this integration I would solve with the help of these two equations. Okay, is important. You have to know. You have to remember. Okay, so friends, now how can we solve this kind of problem? Question is very simple. Question is not so much tough, but we need to know integration knowledge. At first you see that this function is even functions. Okay, so at first I write this integration I. So I can be written as 2 into 0 to infinity e to the power minus pi x to the power 4 plus c divided by x to the power 4 plus 4 dx. Okay, okay, pi x to the power 4 plus c by x to the power 4 plus 4 dx. So as fx is equal to f of minus x, then it is even functions. Okay, note this is the integral calculus formula. Next friends, next is 2 into. Now how can we write this kind of problem? How can we solve this kind of problem? This is the very interesting. We can write this equation in this way: e to the power 2 root over c pi divided by 2 and root over pi by c. Okay, pi by c, this portion will become pi. So this can be written this way, and 2 divided by, it can be written e to the power 4 into dx. Okay, so x to the power 4, then you can see that we can adjust. Okay, e to the power 4, so e to the power 4 is division. Okay, so 2 divided by e to the power 4 is equal to c by pi. Okay, c by pi, let, okay, let c by t is equal to, let let t equals to 4th pi by cx. Okay, can be written this way. So okay, not 4th, this is the 8. So t is equal to pi by c whole to the power 1 by 8 into x. Okay, so dt is equal to this, so dt value also I can write. So I can write this way: 0 to infinity e to the power minus 2 divided by c pi by 2 into t to the power 4 divided by 1 by t to the power 4 dt. Okay, so this is the exponentials. Now we break this equation into exponential equation. Okay, so this exponential equation can be represent, okay, can be represented as 2 factor. Okay, double summation. So at first we let z equals to 2 root over c pi. I can write, yeah, I can write. So z equals to 2 root over c pi. So my given can be written 2 into e to the power 4. Okay, c by pi whole to the power 8. Okay, and this equation, I just break this equation into double series. So it is double series. R equals to 0 to infinity. Okay, m equals to 0 to infinity and minus 1 to the power m minus r and half into z into t to the power 4. Okay, okay, z into t to the power 4 into m. Okay, into m and z by 2 into t to the power 4 into r, okay, divided by r factorial will multiply and m factorial will multiply, okay, into dt. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear for everyone. Now we can write this equation into 2 into e to the power 4. Now we just please view everything. I just okay, please view. Okay, so it can be written c by pi whole to the power 1 by 8 integration 0 to infinity 0 to r equals to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power m minus r, okay, okay, and another factor, another I can write this portion can be written L equals to and half into z t whole to the power 4 into m into r. You can be written this portion z divided by 2 to the power 4 4r plus l minus 1. So m can be written m factorial, and this resolutions as l equals to 1 to 4. So I can write 4r plus l minus 1 factorial, okay. These resolutions can be written in this way. So I just introduce l, okay. So how can I write this portion? Taking just m minus r equals to small n, okay. M minus r is equal to, when I write small n into c divided by pi to the power 1 by 8, okay, and 0 to infinity, so as n equals to, so I can write this way m minus r. So in triple summation, r equals to 0 to infinity, m equals to 0 to infinity, and l equals to 1 to 4, and just putting the value in here minus 1 to the power m minus r is equal to this n, okay. And after the resolutions, okay, my resolutions, I need to resolution. So whatever I get half of z n plus 4r, okay, 4r plus l minus 1, okay, z, not 4r, 5r into t to the power 4n, okay, t to the power 4n minus l plus 1. How it is possible? Because 2 to the power t to the power 4 m minus t to the power 4 m minus 16 r, okay, 16 r, okay, t to the power So friends, you see that 5 5R, and just calculation, you can check my calculation. Okay, so this is the 4R R plus L minus 1. Problem is is difficult. It's not difficult, calculative. Okay, problem is very calculative, but I think that you can solve this problem very easily. So now we can write 2 divided by e to the power 4 c by pi to the power 1 by 8 into 0 to infinity summation r equals to 0 to infinity and m equals to 0 to infinity this portion. Okay, another factor, and L equals to m r equals to 0 to infinity, sorry, m equals to 0 to infinity I write, and L equals to 1 to 4. Okay, L equals to 1 to 4 minus 1 to the power n and half into z to the power n plus 4r plus L minus 1 divided by m factorial. Okay, okay, m factorial can be written as r factorial, r plus n factorial. Okay, m factorial can be written as r plus n factorial and 4r plus L minus 1 factorial into dt. Okay, this is the 5r. Okay, and okay, we can write this way, that r equals to 0 to infinity, and 0 to infinity is my integration. Okay, now it can be written more simplified way, that 2 divided by e to the power 4 by pi to the power 1 by 8 m equals to 0 to infinity and summation L equals to 1 to 4 minus 1 to the power n half into z to the power n plus 4r plus L minus 1 divided by, okay, minus z by 2, sorry, this is the in here bracket, it is bracket. Okay, so it is very large. Okay, you will see the z by 2 n plus 4 and r plus n factorial can be written r plus n. Okay, r plus n can be written this way, r plus n minus 1 up to n into 4r r minus 1. Okay, factorial and half into z to the power n plus 2, and in here I just multiply in here that 0 to infinity. Okay, summation r equals to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power r z to the power r divided by r factorial z to the power r factorial and t to the power, sorry, z to the power r 4n n minus L plus 1 into dt. Okay, so it can be written t to the power, okay, multiply t to the power 4n minus l plus 1. Okay, 4n minus 1 plus 1. So this way we can write, now we can write that 2 into e to the power 4 c by pi whole by 8 summation m equals to 0 to infinity summation l equals to 1 to infinity. Okay, and this equation can be written as minus 1 to the power, you can check, minus 1 to the power 1 to the power m. Okay, minus 1 to the power m, because we partitioned this portion minus 1 to the power, this is not m, this is m. Okay, minus 1 to the power m, minus 1 to the power m half into z n plus 4r plus l 4r plus l minus 1, and this portion is simple e to the power minus e to the power minus z. Okay, okay, another factor is another proportion is missing in here, n plus 4r. Okay, it is t to the power r. Okay, it is t to the power e to the power minus t. Okay, 4n n t to the power r minus t, because plus r. Okay, t to the power r, okay, t to the power r 4n plus r. R is missing in here. The problem is very large. This is the okay, t to the power 4. Yeah, you get t to the power 4r. So this way you can get 4n plus minus l plus 1 plus r. Okay, so this value you can get in here. So e to the power minus t, this is e to the power minus t, t to the power minus r, this is e to the power minus t. So e to the power minus t, t to the power 4n minus l plus 1 can be written as gamma function. Okay, gamma 4m minus 4 4n m minus r minus 4r r plus 1. Okay, you see formula 4m okay, 4n minus l, n can be written m minus r. Okay, l plus plus 1. Okay, so be written as r plus n means m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 up to n into 4n 4r plus l minus 1 into factorial. Okay, so it can be written 2 into e to the power 4 by pi to the power 1 by 8, and this equation can be written m equals to, just convert it in this way, m equals to 0 to infinity pi is multiply in here pi okay, pi is not multiply, I will not multiply in here pi, this portion, okay, this portion, just putting the value l equals to 1 to 4 in the given equation, okay. So m equals to 0 to infinity pi by 2, okay, pi by 2 m factorial into gamma m minus 1 by 4 plus 1 into z by 2 whole to the power 2m minus 1 by 4 minus z by 1 by m factorial gamma m plus 1 by 4 and it is z by 2 whole to the power 2m plus 1 by 4. Now I just change my font size because it is 100%, I change, now it is 50% again. So whatever we see this formula, we see this note, which note is first, okay, this note is equal to I alpha. So I write this way, that 2 divided by e to the power 4 c divided by pi whole to the power 1 by 8 into pi by 2 I minus 1 by 4, that value is sine pi by 4, okay, sine pi by 4. Now you will check this formula, I will use this formula, okay, this formula here alpha is equal to pi by 1 by 4, so I used this formula in here. So whatever I get 2 into e to the power 4, okay, 2 into e to the power 4 c by pi whole to the power 1 by 8 k 1 by 4, okay, and z value is equal to 2 root over pi c, okay. I hope it is clear for everyone and I explain very nicely and everybody will understand my work, okay. Please review my total work. Actually it is not so much tough, it is simple practice and simple series combinations, series I used, series concept. Thanks for watching.